Okay, we're at Cambridge in Nature right now. Okay, which one we can go to this thing? Good question. Well, we're going all the way to this thing. Yep. It's so cool. Yeah, the fossils are really skeleton-y. Yeah. What's all the fossils? The fossils are really fossils. Yeah, looks like it. I'm pretty sure this is a friendly idea. Yeah, looks like it. Look at the long neck, swimming long neck. Swimming long neck? Looks like it. Look, there's a sea turtle. I know this is a sea turtle. Hey, this looks really good on that, 3-horn. But there's just 1 horn. Yeah. The sharp tooth? Looks like a mother and father of chompers. Yeah. Look at Sarah. I know. I wonder, they have scratches in their backs. They had scratches in their backs. Really? There's a sharp tooth over there. Velociraptor. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is prehistoric mammals. And what are they? Let's see. They have a lot of things to do. Yeah, looks like a pretty good Pop goes the weasel. Saber-toothed cat. I don't know what that is. Me neither. A wild boar eating meat? Yeah, looks like it. Okay, we're about to go see the animals. Is that the polar bear and with the seal? Yeah. Oh, look at that. It looks like a beaver. It looks like a beaver, huh? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a grizzly bear. I know. Yeah, a grizzly bear. That's cool. Wow. The bison and the wolves. Muskox and the wolves. Yep. Those are just little critters from the swamp and the cave and everything. The reindeer. Yeah, the reindeer, huh? Yeah, that's right. Skunk. Porcupine. Prairie dog. Squirrel. I don't know what that is. Groundhog. Yeah. And look, a moose. I know, right? Ooh, pronghorns. I know. Mountain goats. That's cool. Okay, I believe this is really good, I believe this is really good, Wolverine and sea otters and everything. That's cool. Bear does that too. Is it Arctic hare? With pooping? Yeah, it looks like it. Ooh, a cougar. What's a cougar doing? Sitting on that waterfall over here in the forest. That's cool. Say, do you know what that water looks like? A giant whale. A giant whale? It looks like a giant whale. Take a look at this big tail. A green sea turtle. Yeah. I believe there's a turtle around here. I don't think so. Yeah, I think you're right. Scarab dying beetle. Ooh, a leopard frog. I know what this one. Those are just fishes down here. Fishies. I like it. Looks like he's staring at us. Yeah. Wow. Have you seen a Bugs Alive gallery before? Yeah. Ants and everything. Yeah, I have seen those ants. Whoa, walking stick. Northern black widow spider. A rhino beetle. A a death of a bug. A filming spider. Look, it's a bird. I believe that's a bird. Look at this pelican. I call him Nagisa. Yep. A barn owl. Ooh, this is a small hawk. A bird that lays eggs. And the little bird from Alberta. Is that a loon? Yeah. See, it looks like a duck. Hmm. Ravens. Yep. The songbirds made of songs. Cool. I love how the birds are really going to be fly by. Yeah, the fly by birds. I know that. Hmm. This art gallery looks like the minerals of the rocks. Yeah. Have you seen Zoe's site before? Looks like Zoe's site. Yeah, Zoe's site. That's what it is. Lizard Dart is really on the over here too. Yeah, looks like it. This is a yard. Yeah. Do you want to play a game? Yeah. Okay, let's turn off the lava. Break you just done. There, it's erupted. Cool. Yippee! We make a gas full of that and we make a lava full of that. Yeah, good idea. Okay. See, it looks like a pretty good landscape with the rain and everything. Yeah, I know that, right? Hmm. Take a look at this beautiful cave. Yeah, it looks like a beautiful cave, isn't it? Looks like it. Look, they have me in it. I'm twisted. Oh, I think I have split it in half too. Yeah. Oh, take a look at my cutie one. Let me see. Yeah. Whoops, my face is squished. Oh my goodness! You look really funny. Your hair is popping out too. Yeah. Okay, that's all we got today. Say, do you remember this ice before? So cold. It is so cold. No, I feel so cold. Yeah. Say, that look gives me an idea if I take this one off of my things. Yeah. So this is a, a prehistoric caribou. Yeah, it looks like it. I wonder what's going on here. With the ice age going on here. Ice age? Yeah, ice age. Cool. It's for northern Canada. Canada, it's okay. Hmm, I guess you're right. Okay, we're about to embark on a journey to Under the Canopy, the rainforest exhibit. Cool. I've seen the giant earth before. Do you remember that? Yeah, I remember that. It's right down here, so it's called the giant earth. This was the giant earth, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like it. It's so cool that the two-toed sloth is really moving. I have seen this two-toed sloth before. Yeah, looks like a caiman. The little caiman. Cool. See, I have seen this giant gator before. Looks really giant, isn't it? Yeah, it's made by Rampage, where I used to film Rampage. Really? Yeah, when they filmed Rampage, they used to have a giant alligator into this film. Really? Mhm. This was a giant alligator. Want to touch it? Yep. Okay. So soft. I cannot touch his face because he might eat me. Yeah. He's resting there. I know he's resting, isn't he? Mhm. Say, this looks really good on that spider. It's a tarantula. It is a tarantula. It's hanging on the glass. I know. Yep. Okay, we're done for. That's cool. I love Under the Canopy. You love Under the Canopy? Yeah, it's good. It looks so good, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just talking about two-toed sloth. Where can I find that? Is that a Pokemon name? Now let's take a photo of this. All right. The two-toed sloth hanging upside down. Really, and it's moving upside down. Yeah. Okay. We're out here in this world. Mm, it's cool. Yeah, we have so much fun. Yeah, it looks like Ottawa trip is really good. Yeah. Say, Sharkima? Yep. Do you want to go to New York City tomorrow? Yeah, I want to go to New York City tomorrow. Okay, we have to go to American Museum of Natural History in New York, and then we can go to the Benjamin Hotel. Okay, and on the 29th, we should go to Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Yep, and on the 30th, we should go to Prospect Park Zoo. And on the 31st, we should go to, what do you think we should go to, Sharkima? Good question. I know, Brooklyn Bridge Park. Really? Yeah, that's right. That's what I remembered. Okay, that's good. All right then. So let's get to it. All right, good.